Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Spotify to your Grundig DSB 980. So in order to do this, click on the Mode button on your Pilot. Here navigate to the Spotify and click on it. And now move on to the device that you have connected via Bluetooth to. So in this case I have this smartphone, I connected it with a Bluetooth. You can check that video if you want help with that. So click on the Spotify, and right now if we're connected to this device with our Bluetooth, we should be able to play music on it with our phone right here. So as you can see, there's a Grundig DSB 980 and it shows right here what music will be played. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.